Whistle tray.
There's a guy who tours around the world, playing gigs and meeting all kinds of girls. His hair is shiny and long, that bloke should do commercials. He's a vegan with some views that are controversial. That's Cory Churko, he don't want to settle down. That's Cory Churko, he'll just keep rocking on. He met a girl who became the love of his life. Jody then would go on to be his wife. They bought a house in California. They've loved 3 dogs, Karma, Mars, and Yoda. That's Cory Churko, already settled down. That's Cory Churko, half a century now. And whether Star Wars or mountain climbing, he'll be happy and we'll be done with all the rhyming.
Okay, I've been asked to speak something about Cory, and I guess the best thing I could ever say about him is that he was an entertainer right from day one. When I had him in the hospital, I was supposed to be playing at a wedding dance that night, and I looked out my window and I could see the hall where I'm supposed to be playing, but I couldn't go because they didn't want me to leave the hospital that night. So that was the first experience. Then whenever we practiced, Cory would bounce around like a puppet, like he was on a string, and he was just like, you went like this and his legs would go. Then when we went downtown for sidewalk days, Kim and Kevin knew they were supposed to sit really quiet in front of us and watch, but Cory always found a way to sneak around behind us and dance, and he just danced and he stole the show every time because he was only like 2 years old. And that's how his career started. And we just all want to wish you a very happy birthday, Cory!